Midnight, Elijah, countdown. There's the road, there's the highway, and here he comes.
I hear a mother crying in the wind. It's never gonna be the same. His tears keep on falling across this sacred ground. There's whispers in the trees. We hear those ancestors calling. Let them wrap their arms around you. Let them wrap their arms around you. Elijah, Elijah, let them wrap their arms around you. Oh, Elijah, let them wrap their arms around you.
How could this happen? How could it possibly get like this? I can't imagine how many times mama shed her tears. Now here we come together for you. Can you shine the lights down for us? Up there with the Dreamtime Warriors, Dreamtime Warriors.
Let the youth run free. Sure, they make mistakes. Bring justice to the case for what Elijah faced. Jah will never forget another sin of a man. History repeats again. Let's be still for Elijah.
Here are people crying in the night.
Cover them now, their baby's not there.
It's time now to unite.
The old ones left a message.
Let
They
the
want you
truth
to know.
be our
They'll wrap their arms
guide.
around you, they never letting go. Your face is in our fight.
For we
The
are
fight we sing and
there
pray.
with
Till
you.
then they're gonna wrap you up.
All
We'll
your
sing
goings
another day. We'll keep singing for Elijah.
We will stand right by your side. Let us wrap our arms around. Let us wrap our arms around you. Let's all sing
Let's all sing.
for Elijah. Let us wrap our arms around. Let us wrap our arms around you. Let's all sing
Let's all sing.
for Elijah.
This is to my little brother Elijah, a little brother with the halo always shining. I can tell just by looking at your pictures, bro. This kid was focused. I guess he had hopes and dreams. I can see he's got a really big family, a really big family. P.S. This is from your boy TPB. All I wanna say is R.I.P. R.I.P.
When you heard one, you heard us
Elijah, let us wrap our arms around